Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all have enjoyed your vacations. Okay, so welcome back to your computer class and let's continue the topic where I have left. So we were on chapter 2nd, log on to MS Access, in which I have explained you that how we can create a database in MS Access. Okay, and today I will explain you one remaining topic of that chapter, closing access application. Okay, so if you all remember that in this chapter I have told you that how we can create the database in two ways. Okay, using templates, and we can create the blank database. And today I will tell you that how we can close the MS Access application, although it's very simple. So you have to close the application in the same way you close all other applications like Word, Excel, or any application like you close. So see, for closing any document we always have two options, because we can see the cross, minimize or maximize button at the top right corner of any window. So from where directly you can close the application. Okay, but this is not the proper way. The proper way is to close the application using menus. Okay, so how we can close the application? First, see, once you have completed your work, you must save your document you must save your database, and if you have not saved, then the system will ask you for saving before closing the database. Okay, see, in your database you will create more than one table, so you should save each and every table that you will make in your database. And after that, for closing the entire database, you have to choose the close database option from the office button. You can see here that here you can see this button is called the office button. When you will click on this button, so that list will appear. At the last you will find the option of closing the database. So by clicking on this option you can close the database. Okay, so as you will close the database, so only your database will be closed. Okay, and the MS Access window will appear. Okay, so you can create another database. But if you will choose the cross button that you will see at the top right of the window, so if you will choose that cross button, so the entire MS Access window will be closed. Okay, so for closing the database only, for closing your database only, go on that office button and then choose the close database option. As you will choose that option, so it will be close. Okay, okay, now let's revise the chapter by reading these point at a glance part. Our chapter will be revised in short. So a database, what is a database? Database is an organized collection of related information or data stored in files. Okay, will you tell me one thing? What is meant by these files here? These files are the tables that we make in our database. Okay, because we will store our data in tables, so by means of these files is table here. Okay, second is DBMS is an application software which is used to create and manage a database. Okay, so if you all remember about what is application software, if you remember the application of remember the definition of application software, so application softwares are those softwares which are designed to perform specific tasks, and here the specific task is to create and manage the database. Okay, next point is MS Access is the most popular and powerful RDBMS used to organize and manipulate data. Do you understand the meaning of manipulate? The meaning of manipulate is to make changes in your data. Okay, after storing your data once, you can make changes in your data at the time you require. Okay, last point is a template is a ready to use database that contains various types of tables, queries, forms, etc. needed to perform a specific task. I have told you that we can create databases in two ways. First is we can create blank database, and second is we can create database using templates. So what are templates? Templates are the ready to use database that contains various types of tables, queries, forms, etc. in it. So if you will choose the template option, so you will get a ready-made database. You have to fill the entries only. Okay, now the chapter is over, so let's come to the exercise part. So here is the fill in the blanks part. First is what is an organized way to storing information? So it's a database. Okay. Next is a relational database store data in what that are linked together using fields. What is it? A relational database store data in, we store data in tables. Okay, and tables are linked together using common fields. Okay, if we have more than one table in our database, so we can link the tables using common fields. Suppose if in one table one field is ID, so in second table you have to keep that field, same field ID, then you can connect two tables. Okay, third is a collection of related records. So it's file is the collection of related records. Fourth is key combination is used to quit MS Access. Right now I have told you that how you can close your database, but if you want to quit MS Access, if you want to close the whole window, so the shortcut key is Alt plus F4. Okay, last is in Access helps to get information on a specific topic from the information stored in a database. Suppose in your database you have stored lots of information and you want to find the information of particular, like for example if I have a list of class 8th row student, okay, and I want to find the information of roll number 805. So for that I can use queries. So using queries I can get the information of particular roll number. Okay, so this is the fill in the blanks part. Your homework is to complete the exercise part and revise the topic that we have discussed today. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care. Bye.